Hi guys, it's Miss Yahaya and it's time for phonics. You're going to need something to write with as well as something to write on. So paper and a pencil. Miss Yahaya is going to use a whiteboard and a marker. Once you have your utensils, go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. Remember, we want to make sure that we're practicing our name every single day. Our letter of the day is letter H. This is uppercase H, and this is lowercase h. H says the sound. It's kind of like something's really hot. Things that start with letter H are horse, hat, heart, and house. When we write the letter H, we're going to use a tall stick and a short hump. So, watch me first and then we can practice together. You're going to do this in one smooth motion. Tall stick, short hump. Tall stick, short hump. Let's practice together. Tall stick, short hump. Tall stick, short hump. Let's do a couple more. Tall stick, short hump. Tall stick, short hump. This is how you write the letter H. So now that we know that letter H makes the sound, I'm going to give you some clues and you're going to see if you can draw me a picture to match. Make sure you use lots of details and colors that make sense. I'm thinking of something that starts with the letter H. It says this is something that you can find on your head. You can wear this in lots of styles. And you might go to the barber shop or the beautician to have this washed and shampooed and cut or tapered. Can you draw me a picture of your favorite style for this H word?